Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 drawing tablets available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best drawing tablets. The 5th product on our list is the VEIKK A15. Artists of all stripes can find great use in drawing tablets. With one such as this VEIKK A15, you'll be able to expand your skills and significantly improve your work's efficiency. It's even designed for both right and left-handed users. Simply go to the VEIKK website to download the latest driver for your graphic drawing tablet, and you'll be good to go. This tablet comes with a stylus and is perfect for professional artists, teachers, and students, as you can efficiently perform multiple tasks. You can edit handwritten documents, make diagrams, do quick math, annotate on virtual whiteboards on Zoom, Team, and XSplit while streaming or broadcasting, as well as perfect your line art and brushstrokes with the intuitive stylus. Additionally, it is fully compatible with Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, and more, making it great for presentations at work or school. This drawing tablet is ideal for taking notes, jotting down ideas during web conferencing, and remote working. With this device, you have the utmost accuracy. This is thanks to the pen featuring 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, so your lines will be smoother and more natural, allowing you to capture ideas quicker and with less effort. Moreover, there's no need to charge or replace the battery, so you can have constant, uninterrupted use. What's more, the A15 graphic tablet comes with a 10 by 6 inch active area, and it is both thin and light enough to carry around your workspace as you would an ordinary notebook. With its Type-C port, you can conveniently plug in and out in either direction, making it far less fiddly and less likely to be damaged when put on charge at awkward angles. Furthermore, this unit has 12 fully customizable express keys to help you create a highly ergonomic and convenient work platform tailored to your usage habits on the tablet. Finally, this product is compatible with all major designer software, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Sai, and Corel Painter. Its pros are: it's compatible with all kinds of educational tools, making it great for students. It has a sleek, lightweight build, and it is fully customizable to your preferred working methods. However, its cons are: its hookup for the USB is on the tablet's left side, which can be problematic depending on your PC's layout and positioning. And its factory-calibrated sensitivity curve isn't fantastic, although it can be changed in the settings. The VEIKK A15 is a great all-rounder, most suited to artists still in education that need to quickly present their work in different formats. Up next in 4th place is the HUION KAMVAS 12. Depending on the type of project you're doing, you may find that working with a drawing tablet is much faster than with a pencil and paper or even a mouse. So, if you're an animator, you're sure to appreciate the features of this HUION KAMVAS 12. With this product, you can replace the computer mouse and work on an extended display, allowing you to efficiently edit and annotate, sign documents digitally, or take precise handwritten notes while working from home. This creative tool is excellent for helping teachers and students make their interactive online classes more effective and memorable. Moreover, it is compatible with the vast majority of software tools, including Skype, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Microsoft Office, Google Slides, PDF Annotator, and more. The KAMVAS 12 has 8 programmable hotkeys along the side, contributing a ton of convenience for graphic design work. Additionally, 2 customizable switches on the stylus give you convenient access to your most used shortcuts. You can set up the HUION driver's buttons to pan, scroll, undo, or erase. With everything you need at the touch of a button, your productivity is sure to increase. With this unit, you can use any creative software, including Illustrator, Photoshop, Painter, Sai, Krita, Mediband, and so on. Meanwhile, you'll benefit from the HUION PenTech 3.0 technology that's optimized with capacitive pressure sensors, which makes it ultra-responsive to every pen movement and eliminates lag. Furthermore, the shorter pen nibs and increased nib firmness make the pen tip barely bounce during use, improving accuracy and reducing parallax. Thanks to its 8,192 pressure levels and 60 degrees of tilt function, you'll get the most natural drawing experience possible. Also, with a 0.46-inch ultra-slim thickness and a weight of just 1.62 pounds, the KAMVAS 12 won't add much weight to your load, while its 11.6-inch display size fits easily in a laptop bag. Lastly, the adjustable stand lets you find the best position while working. All this makes it a highly portable workspace. Its pros are: it has a precise, sensitive stylus, its manual shortcut switches are very handy, and its sleek design is very portable. However, the cons are: its charging jack is deep set, making it hard to use third-party cables, and its stand sometimes slips on some settings. The HUION KAMVAS 12 gives you the ability to rapidly draw and edit in different ways. It's ideal for anyone that needs high accuracy from their drawing tablet. Still haven't found a drawing tablet that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Wacom PTH660. If you're looking for a drawing tablet with a range of effective and robust features, then this one from Wacom is for you. It provides greater flexibility to draw, write, and paint seamlessly with its accurate and advanced stylus performance and realistic pen-on-paper feel. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, exceptional tilt recognition, and practically lag-free tracking, the Pro Pen 2 presents the latest in creative control. Moreover, with this device, you can create and perfect your digital artwork on your computer without being hindered by cords or cables, thanks to its Bluetooth functionality. Or you can directly connect the tablet with the included USB cable. Additionally, this tablet surface instantly corresponds to your computer monitor, and using the pen on the tablet is similar to navigating a smartphone screen, as you can use it to zoom, rotate, and scroll effortlessly. It also carries a set of 5 expressive keys, 4 of which are customizable for your favorite keyboard shortcuts. Meanwhile, the touch ring provides intuitive control of the canvas rotation, brush size, scrolling, and other functions. Depending on how you like to work, you can turn multi-touch on or off with the switch on the side of the tablet. Furthermore, this product is made from smooth black plastic, similar in feel to MacBook keys, so it will look right at home on most desks or at the office. Underneath the tablet are 4 rubber pads that provide grip to hold it steady while you work. It is worth noting that the tablet is compatible with Mac OS 10.12 and Windows 7 or later versions. Lastly, when you register your Wacom, you'll get a 3-month trial to Boris FX Suite and 2 months of Adobe Premiere Pro with Adobe After Effects to help you get started on your artistic endeavors. Its pros are: it comes with included Bluetooth functionality, it can be easily adapted to suit your style, and it has trials of top-range software included with the purchase. However, it has pretty low-quality stylus nibs. The Wacom PTH660 brings great flexibility to your art projects. It's suited to professionals and beginners that want multiple functionalities and the option to go wireless. The second product on our list is the GAOMON PD1161. When looking for a drawing tablet with a stand-up design and superb features, you can't go wrong with a product from GAOMON. With its sleek, compact styling, this device breaks the usual trend with drawing tablets by using a minimal 11.6-inch high-definition screen that doesn't compromise your creativity but actually enhances it while being far easier to slip into a bag and carry about. The sharp, crisp colors provided by the GAOMON will almost make you forget about ever using traditional paper and pen again, as the high detail and accuracy combined with the ability to conveniently manipulate your projects will significantly enhance your end product. Regardless of your preferred art style, this unit can mimic it perfectly with its high-end stylus with 8,912 pressure levels, so you can seamlessly switch between media to produce unique, high-detailed images. Even better, it's battery-free, so you'll never have to pause or recharge the pen while your muse is with you. Additionally, this product is highly compatible. It can be used with OS and Windows, as well as software like ZBrush, Blender, Inkscape, Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects, Cyversion 2, Clip Studio Paint, Corel Paint Shop Pro, Autodesk Mudbox, Lightroom, and more. So whatever it is you're looking to use the GAOMON for, there will be a program available to install without issue. For professional artists and designers that are often out and about and on the go, and amateurs who are hesitant to make the leap to digital media, this device is perfect. Its powerful range of features and ergonomic design will suit you whenever your comfort level. Its pros are: its sleek design is great for portability, it has a high-definition screen for more detailed working, and it's highly compatible with a vast range of programs. However, its sensitivity can make it difficult to calibrate for first-time use. The GAOMON PTH660 ticks all the boxes for a high-end drawing tablet. It's brilliant for artists that often need to take their work on location. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top drawing tablet is the XP Pen Artist 12 SML. If you're a student or artist looking for a high-functioning drawing tablet to take your graphic design to the next level, then the XP Pen Artist 12 is your best bet. From the offset, this is a well-refined product with a contemporary and minimalist design that's sure to fit any home computer setup or office decor. Looking at the front, there's a high-definition display in the center with useful shortcut buttons on the left-hand side to make your experience smoother and more ergonomic. Unlike other tablets, the glass on the front of this device extends over the screen's borders, so you'll have no problems with the stylus getting stuck at the corners or sides of the display. Moreover, this tablet is constructed from high-quality plastic that is sturdy in your hands with no flexing, rattling, or shaking, giving it a premium feel. Furthermore, the aforementioned HD display comes with an anti-glare film on the top that effectively reduces glare and annoying reflections on the screen when you are using the tablet in a bright environment, such as while working on outdoor projects. Moreover, this protective film is scratch-resistant and it adheres perfectly to the surface, so there is no peeling off at the sides and corners. The tablet display itself has a textured finish, which makes it feel like you're drawing on real paper. Another advantage of the textured surface is that it prevents the pen from slipping too much on the glass display, so you have much better control over the stylus for those precise strokes. Speaking of the pen, the one that comes with this product has a pressure sensitivity of 8,192 levels and can detect tilt up to plus 60 degrees. Additionally, it doesn't require charging as it takes its power wirelessly from the tablet. Finally, the XP Pen Artist 12 connects to your PC or Mac with the help of a 3-in-1 cable that minimizes wires on the desk and gives you more space to move and adjust your tablet. Its pros are: it has an ergonomic design, its high-resolution screen makes detailed work effortless, and it has high-quality construction with a scratch-resistant and glare-free display. However, it can get quite hot when you're holding it in your hand instead of using a stand. The XP Pen Artist 12 SML has an excellent variety of features for all levels of artist. It's recommended for anyone needing a drawing tablet that has maximum precision with an ergonomic design. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.